Welcome to New York. Yeah.
Brooklyn Avenue. Only in the States.
Is this your house?
Yeah.
Okay,
Come
okay.
in.
Okay, come in.
Come in.
Where is the barbed wire? Ay, ko.
Wait.
Ay.
Charm. Come in.
Come in.
I will start.
I will see you my house.
Tara, saan naman tayo?
Want to see my house? Please, please. Parang blues.
Basa. Meron doon, oh. Mapupunta ka sa Fifth Avenue. Isang saglit lang, kaya nalakad ka. Ito na.
We go to the Fifth Avenue.
Ayan.
Dito sa New York, marami kang makikita iba't ibang bagay. Kagaya ng tao na to, halika lang. This is, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Madapaka. Madapaka is madapaka. Tama niya. What's the problem, man? What's the problem? Yeah. Tara. This is my barber shop. This is my barber shop, okay? Hey, this is my things that you can do, okay?
Barbershop ba yun?
I will see you my ninuno, my ninuno.
The Grand Central. So, may Grand Central sa atin.
Ano tayo? Iba naman yan. Post na lang, post.
Who is your favorite pet?
Okay, my favorite pet is... Ito sa lito ko. Is Dinah. This is my favorite pet. Dinah. Dinah. Okay? Like me. Kaya naman. Pwede yung makati.